Top 25 quotes about hope, quotes and sayings to restore your hope. Hope is being able to see that there is light despite all of the darkness. Desmond Tutu. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. Emily Dickinson. We must accept finite disappointment, but never lose infinite hope. Martin Luther King, Jr. There is no medicine like hope, no incentive so great, and no tonic so powerful as expectation of something tomorrow. Sweat Marden. Once you choose hope, anything's possible. Christopher Reeve. Hope is the only thing stronger than fear. Suzanne Collins. Hope is a waking dream. Aristotle. Hope is important because it can make the present moment less difficult to bear. If we believe that tomorrow will be better, we can bear a hardship today. Thich and Nhat Hanh. In a time of destruction, creates Maxine Hong Kingston. Hope is passion for what is possible. Soren Kierkegaard. Hope is a renewable option. If you run out of it at the end of the day, you get to start over in the morning. Barbara Kingsolver. Hope is like the sun, which, as we journey toward it, casts the shadow of our burden behind us. Samuel Smiles. Hope is the heartbeat of the soul. Horst. The road that is built in hope is more pleasant to the traveler than the road built in despair, even though they both lead to the same. Marion Zimmer Bradley. While there's life, there's hope. Marcus Tullius Cicero. Hope is a good thing, maybe the best of things, and no good thing ever dies. Stephen King. Hope is the companion of power and mother of success, for whoso hopes strongly has within him the gift of miracles. Samuel Smiles. Hope is the dream of a soul awake. Proverb. Hope is a good breakfast, but it is a bad supper. Bacon. Hope is a force of nature. Don't let anyone tell you different. Jim Butcher. Hope itself is like a star, not to be seen in the sunshine of prosperity, and only to be discovered in the night of adversity. Haddon Spurgeon. Hope is a risk that must be run. Georges Bernanos. Hope is the power of being cheerful in circumstances that we know to be desperate. G.K. Chesterton. Hope is the word which God has written on the brow of every man. Victor Hugo. Hope is the feeling you have that the feeling you have isn't permanent. Gene Care.